walk the carpet. We have 5 hours to glow up. That one looks so sick. Oh my god, the makeup looks crazy.
I can't wear underwear with this. Unfortunately, if you're watching this video and you're seeing me in this dress right now, just know I'm not wearing any underwear.
Hello everyone. It's currently 6 a.m. I'm going to the freaking VMAs today. Pham is gonna be performing tonight. Sabrina Carpenter is gonna be performing tonight. Tim McRae is gonna be performing tonight. Post Malone is gonna be performing tonight. And the VMAs is where Lady Gaga wore meat, okay? And Taylor Swift has dropped albums. The VMAs is iconic, and I didn't realize how iconic the VMAs was until my inbox got dropped. It was like, hello, Ma, you've been invited to the VMAs. Okay, and not just that. Hello, Ma, you've been invited to the VMAs to walk the carpet. Usually I'm just, oh, whatever, girl. Like, I'll figure it out. Like, I'll figure it out kind of girl. That's the type of girl that I am. And if you know me, you know that I'm the type of girl to just figure it out, right? Because me being a figure it out girl, it turns out like this. Embarrassing. Can't have that happen. I tell you that I got the email in my inbox that I was invited, I was screaming. This is gonna be the most intense glow up, the most quickest glow up ever because the VMAs start at 5 p.m. And yes, I know we have 11 hours, but if you know me, usually I have at least 24 hours, okay? And I have to leave my house by 1 o'clock, so we don't even have 11 hours. We have 8, 9, 10. We have 5 hours to glow up. If you look at my nails, these are the craziest nails that I've ever had. Why? Because last night I went to the nail salon at 8 p.m. I don't know if that's what a celebrity would do, but I know that they would have nails that would match their outfit. So that's exactly what I did. I got nails done to match my outfit. I freaking nail mapped out everything. Do you even know what a nail map is? I didn't either. It's where you map out exactly what your nails you want to look like and you send the inspo so that your nails can end up looking like the inspo. Like, it's getting that intense here. Play the clips. Very late, but we gotta get VMAs ready. Oh my god, she looks fab. That one looks so sick. Speaking of my outfit, usually I would just wing it and just go buy something or like go find something in my closet, but I was like, I don't trust myself. I just do not trust myself because sometimes my choices are questionable. We ended up going to some showrooms, and if you don't know what a showroom is, it's basically where there's a bunch of designers in a room. You go pick your outfit, okay? So we have a very nice fit. We have some accessories arriving today. I have an assistant arriving, okay? I have a hairstylist arriving. I have makeup arriving in less than an hour. We gotta get our shit together. Welcome to What Would a Celebrity Do? I don't know if that's what we're gonna call the series, but what would a celebrity do?
Why is there a ketchup packet in my bathroom?
A nice moisturizer.
What is this?
By the way, disclaimer, warning, if you're watching this video on September 7th, Sunday, September 7th, the day of the VMAs, yes, if you're watching this video the day that it came out, just know I filmed it the same day. Yes, the same day at 6 a.m. I filmed this video. If you don't believe me, look at this. It's currently September 7th. I am not playing. I am dedicated to the bit. If you know me, I need to show you, as you see all these celebrities walking the carpet, that my fam did it too. When I post up the pics, I would really appreciate it, okay? If you please subscribe. That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Thank you. Thank you. All right, just got out of the shower. We shaved, exfoliated, and everything, but I'm gonna actually need to get back in the shower later because the thing is, I forgot to self-tan last night, and I didn't forget. I knew I had to, but I was just way too tired. So we're gonna self-tan, and then I'm just gonna wash it all off, and after all my makeup and hair is done, I'm gonna shower again, is what I'm saying. If you didn't watch my video where I organized all my skincare and everything and went shopping for body care, well, here we are. Today, I'm gonna use the expensive lotion. The MTV VMAs call for the expensive lotion. I usually only use this as like a little topper, you know, like I'll put the rest of the lotion on and then I'll use this because she's a little bit pricey, but today I deserve it. Today's a big day. Oh my god, that was my Oura ring, and I forgot to tell you, I checked my Oura ring statistics from last night, and there was a huge spike in the middle of the night because I guess I couldn't stop thinking or something, and they controlled my mind, and then I ended up having a freaking nightmare. Okay, and when you have a nightmare, your freaking heart rate elevates, and I was concerned for myself. Okay, you want to know what that nightmare was about? I had a freaking nightmare. That 60% of you watching this video right now aren't even subscribed. Is it 60? Is it 50? Is it 40? I don't even know, but a huge percent of you aren't even subscribed. And you know how I know? It's because I can check. I can literally click on your comment and check if you're subscribed or not. What are you doing? If you subscribe right now, you could turn that statistic upside down. Yeah, and I would really appreciate it. I would like your comment, and if you don't believe me, check the comments. I'm posting this video at the VMA. Just know I'm built different. That's it. That's all you need to know. Subscribe. Hopefully I have this gorgeous, juicy tan. Hopefully I'm gonna give Sabrina Carpenter a run for her money. Just kidding. I love her. I have 3 outfits for the night, okay? I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. I have a before party outfit, and then I have the carpet outfit. Okay, we went all out,
Okay, we're trying to manifest that celebrity energy. You know what they say, if you want it, you gotta believe it, and you gotta start acting like you are it right now. I'm gonna imagine that this video is gonna be like Dochi's video one day. And then what if we were like, oh my god, wow, we saw my fam getting ready for the VMA and she's just a little baby and now she's out there performing on the stage.
Time is 7:26. The hairstylist is gonna be here at 8:15, so that means we have 25. Can I do math? 48 minutes until she arrives. My assistant, which if you're like, assistant, since when do you have assistant? I literally just got one. If you want to be my assistant one day, just know that there's a chance because every single one of my assistants has watched my videos before. I'm like trying to just have my shit together a little bit more. So we're gonna try it out. She's been working though. I love her. He's performing! He's performing! This song is gonna be my most replayed song of the year. Stank ass brother. Morning, New York. Good morning, Sterling. Are you VMAs ready? Oh my gosh. She has been hailing. She has been storming. She has been raining. So crazy, but why is she such a vibe? Like with the rain falling down? ASMR. No, because the thing is, I was supposed to fly in this morning. That was the plan. Because I went to LA to go to the factory. Because if you don't know, I make clothes. Okay, we make all of our clothes in LA. I literally flew out to LA and flew out the same night because I was like, I cannot miss this. Because I got a weather warning on my phone being like, yeah, like your flight might be canceled. So here's some money so that you could rebook. And I'm like, might be. I'm not missing this one. Usually again, like I'd say I'm a wing it girl, but I was like, I gotta start leveling up and I gotta start thinking like a big girl, okay? Would a celebrity miss this? They wouldn't. I have not done any house transformation videos yet, but trust me, do you trust me? They're coming. I recorded the whole entire process. I just haven't sat down to edit them yet, but I have the whole transformation. Look at this. Let me show you. I know this is a glow up video, but I'm proud of this, okay? I have an app where I can just, all my lamps just turn on. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Terrible song choice, but you know, it's copyright free. When I sing it, it's copyright free. What I'm thinking is that I want a chair set up here. I can see myself good enough. Nice. Just did my skincare and didn't even turn the camera on. No! Okay, basically what I was saying was that I don't have a face mask, unfortunately, and I just failed the celebrity test because every celebrity, if you know, they like wear eye mask and everything before they do their makeup. Unfortunately, I'm not like Jenny and I don't have a $1 million budget to do some like gold flaked eye mask. What if Taylor Swift dropped her album tonight? Like, if you're watching this video right when it comes out, we don't know. What is gonna happen at the VMAs tonight? Some crazy stuff always happens at the VMAs. That's where Kanye called Taylor Swift out.
I'm really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
What if some crazy shit happens tonight? That's all I gotta say. I don't know. We're gonna find out. That's why I'm posting this video the day of, because I'm like, we need to find out together. And I'm literally gonna be at the VMAs posting in real time. If you don't believe me, go check out my Instagram. How many posts have I already posted already? The girl is working today. These are the nails like you've seen. They are so fab. I'm very obsessed with them, but we gotta do the hair and the makeup to match. So here's a little bit of inspo from the dress as well. It's kind of giving celestial, also mixed with like a little bit of mermaid. So for the eye makeup, I was thinking something like this to make the eyes pop because the dress is, there's a lot going on, you know, but the face can't get lost in all of the sauce on the carpet. So we're gonna try to make the eyes pop. But the thing is, I cannot do that eye makeup alone. And I thought I was gonna be able to, but then last night I kind of had a reality check as I was getting my nails done. I was like, what if I fuck up and then I'm at the carpet and I'm very sad because I think I look like shit? Like that is a real reality. So I frantically DM'd this girl named Frankie and I was like, hello girl, can you please SOS do my makeup? And she was like, yes, I can SOS, I can help do your makeup. And then for the hair, I was thinking that this is the inspo because it kind of gives sea urchin with like all the spikes and everything. But the thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that because I have extensions in my hair and I just tried to take them out and it was actually so difficult. So we will see what the option is. Stress level is kind of stressed right now, but I'm always stressed on days like this and I need to remind myself not to get stressed on days like this because it's supposed to be fun, but I get stressed out because I'm like, oh, what if I'm late? What if I'm late? Ooh, the yellow is going on. Time is currently 12:15. I still gotta do the rest of my makeup and then put the outfit on. And I also still gotta shower because the self-tan that I put on this morning, she's still there. I hope this foundation shade isn't too light. And the makeup 8, we haven't finished the bottom yet. I still need to do the bottom half with like the rest of the eye makeup, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I feel like it's different, but it's like not like too in your face to the point where it doesn't feel like me, but I think it's really good. Low key though, I kind of regret putting my hair up because then I just realized last minute, she slayed by the way. It's literally, it's just me. It's my regret because I'm just just like, oh, like I feel like big hair is more of a moment than putting your hair up. And then I did a deep dive and I realized that like on the carpet, no one's really putting their hair up. And I'm like, fuck. Like maybe it's like a rule in Hollywood, don't put your hair up on the carpet. And I feel like it is a secret rule. Why did no one tell me? It's okay. It's not that serious. It's really not that serious. It's fine. I hope it's fine. I am so excited to see Somber. Me and my best friend were talking about Somber because, you know, we just talk about artists and stuff. We were talking about Somber and we were like literally just joking around because we just kept talking about Somber and we kept playing 12 to 12, like 12 to 12, 12 to 12. Oh my God, let's play 12 to 12. I want to personally vibe to this song. Oh my God. You see the blur that just happened? Editing. Let's go back. Go see the pores, the greasiness, and then this powder just swooped her all up. Like, oh, this is my favorite powder for that motherfucking reason. Smile line? Gone, okay? Oh, the look is coming together.
Creme de la creme. Where's my creme de la creme?
Cream contour. I need to play some Tate. I haven't seen Tate live in so long. Love that girl. She said arching my back. So I just did a little bit of contour, but if you see, I put it down here because I'm gonna use this cool tone contour that's completely smashed to pieces, but it's fine. It'll imitate real natural contour better. And I'm using the Sonia Kashuk brush, which helps just really define it. And I'm just lightly tapping her in. And I put it here because it basically makes it so it looks like the shadow is like deeper. So it makes me look like my jaw stands out more than it actually does. We're then gonna go in with the powder bronzer. This is by YSL. She's amazing. I'm gonna switch her in here. I'm gonna go in with a really light hand because I don't want to fuck this up. Ooh. I can just already tell that this is gonna photograph crazy. So we're gonna blend her out. Who am I excited to meet? Wait, mine is going crazy. I didn't even tell you the story about Somber. Let's go to the story about Somber because girl, why didn't I tell you the story? Me and my friend were talking about Somber and we were like literally like, oh my God, we're gonna meet him. Like there's no way that we're not gonna meet him. What happened? Literally that same week, my friend literally ran into him in the Lower East Side in New York and was like, oh my God, I just ran into Somber. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? So yeah, my friend ran into Somber. I'm gonna try to recreate this makeup look. I still have to do the bottom part of it. I'm a little bit scared. I'm not an eyeshadow girl, but we're gonna try to go in with a light hand. I'm gonna put some brown goldish under my eyes, I think. I'm like in deep focus mode right now. I literally put so much effort in to get this video up as soon as possible. And like, I just feel like doing moments like this, they're cool and all, but like, what am I gonna do? Just post an Instagram picture and be like, oh, was that the VMAs? Like, yes, could do that. Or I could take you all along with me and like show you the process. Like, that's fun. You know, that makes everything so worth it. Please let me know that you appreciate this because if you don't really give a fuck about these types of things, then I will stop doing them. Oh my God, the makeup looks crazy. But it's okay. I'm gonna really trust the process. I'm gonna put a black gel liner on and I really hope that this also doesn't ruin the makeup.
Like, have that dress I pull up, please.
Okay, this is not looking too bad. I feel like the actual look itself is more black and stuff and I could add some more lashes on the bottom. Ooh, that looks fire. Could use some more work, but I think we need to work on the brows and then we can come back to the eyes. I'm using this brow pencil. I'm gonna darken up the ends of my brows a little bit. Now I really want to snatch the eye and use a black eyeshadow. I feel like it makes the eyes bigger. Nice. Okay, we haven't f***ed it up yet. All right, this is the makeup look. I still need to put a lip on. I'm definitely running late. Shower. Okay, I just showered. I'm gonna try this dress on. This is only to arrive. I have another dress that I'm gonna wear for the carpet, which I won't be able to show in this video, but if you follow my Instagram, I will post the TikTok and the reel of me changing into it. This is just for the cocktail hour before. The vibe is hopefully I look like the motherfucking trophy that they give out, the award. I wanna look like the VMA award. Insecurity is kicking in. I just need to commit to the bit. I said I was gonna do it. I need to do it. I cannot let insecurity win today. My boob is gonna fall out. Oh my God. I don't think people are gonna be looking at my toes. They're not ugly, they're just not painted. You know?
You know I know underwear? I know you are.
I can't wear underwear with this. Unfortunately, if you're watching this video and you're seeing me in this dress right now, just know I'm not wearing any underwear. For the accessories, that I still don't know. We got a bag of accessories. I think these kind of go nice. Ooh, this is really fab. I love these. The earrings look cute. The cocktail hour fit. I'm actually very happy with it. I think she looks good. The look is done. I haven't even changed it to the full fit like I said. I'm gonna do that on Instagram. If you want to see how the full fit turned out, go check that out on Instagram. I tried so hard to get this video up for you today, so if you appreciate it, please subscribe. Subscribe. Alert, subscribe, please. I will like your comment. I'm liking your comments right now. Yes, I am at the music awards, but I am still liking your comments. All right, I love you. Bye. Follow my Instagram if you want to see the rest of the fits. I have a fit. I have a freaking fit I want to show you.